Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for things that I bought over the holiday break from Amazon and other places. Our first package comes from Amazon. Let's see. So I got a book called Self-Therapy, Positive Soul. I will be doing a review on this book. It's a 365-day journal for self-healing and reflection. And I will link it below. I did get it from Amazon. My next item comes from Fenty by Rihanna. I'm not really a makeup person, but she had a really good sale on skincare products like face cleansers. So I just bought that instead, but let's see what else I got. This is the box. So I got a black mascara pencil. And this one is a Soft Matte foundation. This one is a Retouch concealer. This one is the Cookies and Clean Skin hydration, so you put it on like day or night. I also got a gloss. And this one is a mascara as well. This is what it looks like. And this is a toner. Skin toner. That's what I got from Fenty. My next item comes from Amazon. It is a wax melter for candle makings because I do make candles, and I was tired of always using the double boiler to melt the wax. So I just bought this instead. Hopefully it'll be easier and a lot less messier. So this is it right here. This is the top. Alrighty, so I'll just put the wax in here, and it's supposed to come out through here. It came with a legs to go at the bottom, which I'll put that together later, and power cord, and a mini melting pot, and also instructions. So that's it for today. Please stay tuned for a review on each and every one of these products. Thank you.